Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph about this one, and this one. About y equals to x squared plus 1. The graph should be like this. Y equals to number 5, the graph should be like this. Y equals to 3x plus 5, the graph should be like this. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have y equal to 3x plus 5 and x squared plus 1. With this one in here, we can find this intersection. So I will put this one go to the right. So we find the solutions of this one. And we got s equals to number 4 and s equals to negative number 1. So if we look on the graph, we see that this is about in the negative. So this intersection in here, that is about negative number 1. Now let's go to the second one. That is about y equals to number 5 and x squared plus 1. So I will put number 1 cone here. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we got s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 2. This one, that is about positive number 2 in here, because this is on the positive area. Next, the last one, we already know that the intersection between y equals to number 5 and 3x plus 5. So number 5 they cancel. And you got s equals to number 0. That's it in here. So in this situation, we have two areas. The first one, that is about a number 1 in here and a number 2 in here. So we have the integration from negative number 1 to number 0. So we see that this is about upper, and that is about 3x plus 5. So we know that upper minus lower. So the upper, that's about 3x plus 5. The lower, that is about x squared plus 1. Similar for the second one, we have the integration from 0 to number 2. So The upper that is about number 5. The lower that is about s squared plus 1. Now we need to calculate two integrals in here. So this one, 5 minus number 1, we have number 4, and we have negative s squared. Now we go to similar for the second one. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 4, we have 4s. The next one, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. So for the next one, we have 4s minus s to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. Now we put number 0 gone here, negative number 1 gone here. Similar for the second one. And this one, we have 13 over 6. This one, we have 16 over 3. Now we sum two numbers together, and we got 15 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.